Bonjour! Hello, lovelies! Today I have a new video for you with French brand Absolution. They've been with Amazing Eve for quite a while now. They started off as a skincare brand, but since a couple of years they have this amazing line of makeup created together with Christophe Danchot. He's a famous makeup artist, especially in France. I start with a few skincare products from them, taking off with Le Balm, the balm, to apply on my lips. And this is a nice start to moisture my lips. You can even use this on very dry patches all over your body. And then I'll go with this little nice blue tube. It's Le Sérum Anti-Soif, and it's a very hydrating and antioxidant serum. It's very lightweight, very refreshing, just what I need today. Perfect base for me to start. Then my eyes, they also need a little bit of care, and I'm gonna use the Le Soin Regard, the Bio Concentrate Anti-Aging Eye Cream, which has this sort of highlighting particles in there for an instant refreshment kick. And I recommend this eye cream for everybody who lacks sleep due to children or partying. And now we can go on with the makeup. They don't have a foundation. They do have a tinted moisturizer in 2 colors, but for me, I'm still pretty tanned from summer. They are too light. I don't wear foundation every day anyways, so I only today take the corrector, Le Multi Correcteur, in color 10. That is this nice peachy color. And this one is a cream, fluid cream. I mean, it's not very fluid, it's pretty thick, but it's really the bomb. It's really, actually really cool. I really rediscovered this. I might even swap it every now and then with the Hero Cora. So it's in the same color range as Cora, if you know the Space Balm Corrector Cora from Hero. But this texture is different. It's a bit lighter, I would say. And there you go. So they recently launched Le Smoky. And those are 4 eye pencils, 4 colors. The golden one, the brown one, aubergine, and a black. And today I'm going to start off with the golden one. It's more like a taupe kind of gold, I would say. As you can see, a brownish, which is really an amazing base color. And then you can blend it out with your finger, or you can take a blending brush. I have the one from Hero here. Blend it out a bit. Look at this, it's amazing. For a quick, like a 5-minute look, now the only thing you need to do is add some mascara. The mascara has a big volumizing brush, and you can finish it off with a little bit of lipstick. This is a really nice pinky coral, number 5. And there you have already like a 5-minute look. So Le Smoky in gold, the lipstick in number 5, and a bit of mascara, and you're all set. If you like more of a glossy lip, you can add this new product on top. First I thought they only have 1 color, but it's like a sort of extra dimension to the lip color you like. And it's super nourishing and definitely not sticky. And there's look number 1 with Absolution. Super easy, only a few products, 5 minutes tops. So, if you like to, if you have more time, or if you want a little bit of more of a dramatic look, then you can add some more dimension by taking one of the darker shades. Today I will go with the black one. So I go to the line here, and also down a little bit, going a bit up, up. And then we need your fingers, or I'll prefer the blending brush. There we go. As you already can see, we have some smokiness in here. Finishing touch, I'll go in with the liquid liner, have it quick shake. And here, of course, you can use any shape you like, going like a little thick or thin. And then, of course, they have amazing lip colors here to even put some more vampiness on your face. I will add a little bit more of my pinkish. Just a hint more color than my own lip color. But of course you can also choose a more dramatic look and go for like a true red or a brighter pink. Yeah, a color you feel comfortable with and you like to wear. They have an amazing range. I mean, the French and red lips, I think that is something that goes hand in hand. But for me, it's the number 5, Thank. And yeah, this is my more dramatic look with a sort of a smoky, grayish, taupish color and the eyeliner. And if you want more gloss, again, go in with the... I use this as well here for a highlighting effect, which also works really nice. So this is my Absolution makeup look, full face. I hope you like it. Bye bye, bisous, au revoir, salut, santé.